This song is called Someone Somewhere. It's one of mine. I released it earlier this year, so you can hear it on like Spotify, Apple Music, all that stuff. YouTube Music, if you're so inclined, literally wherever you please. But yeah. In an insubstantial roam to the woodland near my home, I'll forget the family tree, and those I've loved won't notice that I'm gone. I brought my thoughts to a bar fight, and it's almost getting light. When the sundown is over, this place will be colder, but everything will be alright. And nobody shuddered or shook when the loneliest candle was blown. But they would have rushed to my rescue if only they had known. I didn't mean to break your heart. I didn't even mean to bruise it, but I stepped off the ledge and into your head. I'm fine now, I swear it. And nobody shuddered or shook when the loneliest candle was blown. But they would have rushed to my rescue if only they had known. There is no burden to be worn, so won't you make your darkness known? And someone somewhere could have done something if only they had known. There is no burden to be worn, so won't you make your darkness known? And someone somewhere could have done something